This video shows you the excavators produced by our factory. We mainly show you the performance testing of the front boom and small arm of the excavator, as well as the front excavator bucket, its excavation depth, excavation height, and whether its internal power distribution is even and healthy or worth your attention and consideration. If you have high requirements for the quality of excavators, please feel free to consult me. My WhatsApp is 8,630,953,577. We focus on the mid to high-end market and continue to provide you with machines that are efficient, durable, and have a long working time.